Hello everybody. Today light review on email bomber software. What created subscriber code Radul. His GitHub page is available in description. He created simple email bomber software on Python. Code is available on his page. One of advantage is working with Gmail mail server. I will test this software on phone in Termux. I installed it from F-Droid Market. F-Droid Market is available on f-droid.org. Open Termux and first update all packages. Command is package upgrade. Next, installing Git with command package install Git. After installing Python with command package install Python 3. Next, I copied GitHub repository link from GitHub project page and pasted into Termux. GitHub clone command is git clone https://github.com/coderatool/email bomber. Next, going into clone directory command is cd email bomber. And run bomber with command python 3 email bomber.py. Enter address you would like to send emails from. I entered my test Gmail address. And then email app's password. How to create it if you have not it you can find on project page on GitHub. Next, need to enter email or emails where you like to send emails. I use temp mail for testing. Latest option is email amount. For test I choose 3. Email bomber started sending and exited when finished. All emails arrived. Conclusion. This is simple and working bomber, but I do not urge to use it. It may be considered illegal. Thank you for your attention.